Presenting a pre-owned 2011 Volvo C30 T5. This two-door hatchback has a 5-cylinder, 2.5-liter i5 engine, with front-wheel drive, and a 6-speed manual transmission. This Volvo has less than 65,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 21 miles per gallon in the city, and 29 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Ask to see the free AutoCheck Vehicle History Report. Key features include air filtration, front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, cruise control, power steering, power windows, external temperature display, child seat anchors, power door locks, stability control, traction control, wireless data link, and window defogger.